I might do it now or I might do it later. Hi, this is Mark and this is English Conversation Practice Possibilities. I might. Plus a quiz, so be sure to stick around for the second part for the quiz. This is video 18, so be sure to see all the videos in the series. Are you ready to practice with me? Yes? Okay, great. Let's do it. When are you going to vacuum the living room? I don't know. I might vacuum the living room now, or I might vacuum it later. I really can't decide. When are you going to give the students a test? I don't know. I might give the students a test tomorrow, or I might give them a test next week. I really can't decide. When are you going to see Noah? I don't know. I might see Noah this Tuesday, or I might see him next Tuesday. I really can't decide. When are you going to rake the leaves? We don't know. We might rake the leaves later today, or we might rake them tomorrow. We really can't decide. When are you going to get up? I don't know. I might get up in a few hours, or I might get up at noon. I really can't decide. When are you going to finish reading your book? I don't know. I might finish my book tonight, or I might finish it tomorrow night. I really can't decide. When are you going to wash the car? I don't know. I might wash the car on Saturday, or I might wash it on Sunday. I really can't decide. When are you going to fix the wall? I don't know. I might fix the wall on the 10th, or I might fix it a week after that. I really can't decide. When are you going to paint the kitchen? I don't know. I might paint the kitchen this weekend, or I might paint it next weekend. I really can't decide. When are you going to get out of the pool? I don't know. I might get out of the pool now, or I might get out of the pool in an hour. I really can't decide. When are you two going to get married? We don't know. We might get married this year, or we might get married next year. We really can't decide. What do you think? When will Fred vacuum the living room? Fred might vacuum the living room now, or he might vacuum it later. When will the teacher give a test? The teacher might give a test tomorrow, or he might give a test next week. When will Emma see Noah? Emma might see Noah this Tuesday, or she might see him next Tuesday. When will Olivia and Sophia rake the leaves? Olivia and Sophia might rake the leaves later today, or they might rake them tomorrow. When will Mia get up? Mia might get up in a few hours, or she might get up at noon. When will Lucas finish reading his book? Lucas might finish reading his book tonight, or he might finish it tomorrow night. When will Henry wash the car? Henry might wash the car on Saturday, or he might wash it on Sunday. When will Ozzy fix the wall? Ozzy might fix the wall on the 10th, or he might fix it a week after that. When will Mac paint the kitchen? Mac might paint the kitchen this weekend, or he might paint it next weekend. When will Flora get out of the pool? Flora might get out of the pool now, or she might get out in an hour. When will Della and Logan get married? Della and Logan might get married this year, or they might get married next year. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe, and please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be great. I also have a Patreon page. There you can download worksheets we do in our live stream classes. I also have a website, markkulek.com. There you can download worksheets and flashcards that go with my videos. So please check out my Patreon for the live stream class worksheets, and my website, markkulek.com, for the worksheets and flashcards we use in our videos. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.